What is that, Lewis? I want to hear your heart. You're doing amazing.
Oh, baby, when you talk like
Are those real diamonds? We're doing so good.
Please, take a picture of my ass. Oh shit, they fell.
You good? Oh my God. Just do it where it's light, you know? Don't get it so tight that you can't get your hand out. All right, we're back. Rookie's gonna take some photos of the Photogromer.
All right, you better do some cool shit.
I'm gonna scrape right here. You on? Hello? What's up? Anybody behind? Anybody behind me?
Not far. Good. That's great. Nice. You made someone couple when he came out sideways. But yeah, you weren't gonna hit him though. He just freaked out.
He'll be alright.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switcher. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a fake.
Oh shit. I guess we're turning left. I don't know. We just lost half the group.
Bill, I'm in the mood for a changer. I leave the city and return with my changer. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look.
Where you going? Okay.
Straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they look.
Oh shit, that's a big ass bump. Is he? Oh. I hope he don't fall. Oh, he's got a Mark 4. Mine's a Mark 3. So if he does, I get a brand new one.
I understand they hungry, but please don't hate that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving, I've been popping it.
If I can get this secured, I'm gonna scrape this bitch. Yeah, I'm trying to put my camera away. So.
My city, Shawty say she love the way we do it.
You behind me?
I be too turned up to ever give a fuck.
I mean, but no one else is.
I ain't come to argue, let a nigga fuck. They been talking pennies, I need bigger bucks. About to catch a flight, I need to switch it up.
It is a little sketchy trying to do it with people coming up on you. It's just like you gotta hit it on that perfect little spot. And if you don't hit on that perfect little spot, come on, rookie! Then, you know.
Got that black boy joy, might do my dance on me. Take no disrespect, might put my hands on me. Get this chicken, now she wanna marry me.
What about right now? Oh shit!
But she gon' need some closure and some therapy. Came back to the city with my bank account on F. Giving rappers hell, I know they happy that I left. Hit the south in winter, I just put down my deposit. 82 degrees, I left that jacket in my closet. I'm in the mood for a switcher.
Woo! Oh shit, right here? Hey, your little blinkers, nobody can see it. She has to point. Nobody sees when you're turning. We're just like, oh, okay.
I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flicker. Bill, I'm in the mood for a changer. I leave the city and return with my changer. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up.
Yeah, look at that turn.
Man game like 2D, I been kicking shit like Bruce Lee.
Damn it, Lewis. Get in the back. Big bikes in the back. Get in the back, slow fast crew.
The ones that I'm in the gym with, I'm a living legend, you a dead cause, and I'm dead ass, no I'm dead, right? Leaving early, but I'm early night. Long and short to keep their head right. Teed up out in Malibu, got sand all in my good shoes. Press a nigga with the pessimism, but I only came for the good news. I am the short that they came for, hitting the target I...
Oh, look at this poopy water. And you, oh, your bike, dude, your bike's gonna get AIDS. Oh.
Painful. We been discussing the contract, just telling they get what they paid for. I am not fucking with poverty. Really, it started.
Oh fuck! I pulled my clutch in like before. Oh, that was funny.
To bother me, I need the yacht with the prop.
Chicken wings on that air fryer. Yeah. It don't matter. That was a lot. What? That was, yeah. Hold on, we'll do more. Hold on.
They come with the view that you gotta see. Came up from the basement, hit the rooftop with a passion.
He said that was sweet, whatever you just did.
Bad bitch with some good credit and a good sense for the fashion.
Double packer, bro. You see this swerve? Ah! What's funny? What's funny? What's funny?
He didn't know what boof meant. Like boofing, it's like when you like if you go to like a rave, you put drugs up your asshole. It's called boofing.
He's got some up there right now. Some Tylenol.
I'm in the mood for a switcher. I hit the function, hit the.
Good job.
I leave the city and return with my treasure. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us.
Alright guys, that is the Tiny Tuesdays for this week. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Still got a nice crowd with us. We're gonna finish with some shenanigans. If you enjoyed, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and skibbity doo dat doo ba boop ba. What do I normally say? And see you in the next one. See you next one.